Hi guys, so welcome back here at DEC Engineering Tutorial. So ngayon pag-uusapan natin itong Central Business District na sa Transportation Engineering. Okay? So yung Central Business District, ito yung sa urban area of the city. So andito yung high density of population. No? So by definition, a Central Business District, CBD, is the commercial and business center of a city. Okay? Siya yung city center. So it contains commercial spaces and offices, and in larger cities will often be described as a financial district. So geographically, it often coincides with the city center or downtown. So yun yung CBD. So itong CBD, dito sa Davao, there are two main central business districts in Davao. So the first one, itong ongoing na Davao Global Township, and yung Davao Park District, no? So anyway, sa ibang lugar, iba din yung ano nila, no? Yung CBD. So ito yung Davao Park District. So it is located along the SP, the Cudao Loop, formerly the Lanang Golf and Country Club. The 11-hectare Davao Park District is shaping to be the Davao City's newest central business district and a major center for information technology and business process outsourcing, IT BPO in Mindanao. So if we take a look kung ano yung loob, no? Or ano yung mga or ano yung itsura, no? Sa loob nitong Davao Park District, pwede natin tingnan, na. Let's watch. Ayan, no? So may fountain, no? Sa pagka pagkapasok ko, may fountain. Ayan, so ganda. Well, fountain mo siya yung ginamit dito. Or, sobrang ganda. Ayan, no? So, yan yung uh, inside ng Davao Park District. Ayan, no? So, anyway, skip ko na lang. So, pwede nyo tingnan ito sa ano, pwede nyo i-search yan sa YouTube. No? Makita nyo din yung search nyo ng Davao Park District. Lalabas mo ito. Okay? Ayan, ha? Galing, ha? Ayan, ganda, eh. Galing. Anyway, punta naman tayo sa yung pangalawa, no, yung Davao Global Township. No? So, itong Davao Global Township is 22 hectares, state project that is set to transform the Davao Golf Club into a thriving central business. So, sabihin natin ito siya is region. No? And within region, meron tayong urban. And then within urban, meron tayong city. And within city, meron tayong CBD. No? So, dito na part, yung ito siya, yan. Yan yung tinatawag natin na rural. No? So, if you take a look dito sa population density ng region, so makikita natin na it's peak dito sa may CBD and it's going uh, and then palit ng palit siya no as pagpalayong-palayo siya dito sa CBD no. So yung population reduces as the distance from CBD increases no. So ito yung population density. So makikita mo naman no. So sobrang maraming tao dito sa may urban area part. So the density reduces as the distance from the CBD increases. So the density of the population is maximum near the center of the central business district. So kung titignan natin, ito yung city center, ito yung mga rural. So maliit lang yung mga population dito sa may rural. No? Maraming tao dito sa may urban area ng city. No? So since maraming population, no? Malaki yung population, okay, so meaning problema yung traffic. No? So it needs proper management ng traffic. So ano yung ginagawa natin to solve this is we use these road patterns. No? So common naman to no? Sa city. No? May mga road patterns tayo. So let's discuss itong mga road patterns no? For the central business district. So there are various types of road patterns used in highway. When the road is constructed in a pattern like rectangular pattern, radial pattern, hexagonal pattern, linear pattern, etc. for proper management of traffic, it is called a road pattern. Okay? So, unahin muna nating i-discuss itong rectangular or block pattern. So, in this type of road pattern, the complete area is divided into rectangle or block-shaped plots to create a rectangle or block pattern. So, yung straight and roads in block pattern intersect at 90 degrees or right angle. So, kumbaga parang ganito. We have this junction, itong blue one. Then, we have this main road, no? Yung maliit, yung andito sa may CBD, yung Central Business Area. So, parang ganito, no? Yung itsura niya. Naka-rectangular or block. Okay? Yan. So, next is yung grid, no? Yung grid naman, a network of intersecting parallel lines, real or imaginary. So, it referred to as a grid. When seen from above, this pattern is made of streets that connect at right angle to form squares. A physical network is not always constructed of straight or parallel lines, may also be called a grade. So parang ganito, parang rectangular or block din siya, no? Kasi yung makikita niyo yung mga intersecting lines na yan, lahat yan streets, no? So parang ganito, no? Parang ganito yung itsura niya, no? Yan. So, next is itong radial or star and circular. No? So, yung radial or star or circular, this network is a combination of radial and circular road patterns. It is a road pattern in which the major roadways or radial roads radiate outward from the center and are joined by the ring roads or concentric roads which likewise radiate outward. No? Parang ganito. Yan. So, meron ka ditong central business district. And then you have this radial road, and then you have this ring road, no? So, kaya radial or star and circular. Pa-circular din siya, no? Circular. So, parang ganito, no? Parang ganito siya. Ayan. Okay, next is radial or star and grid. No? So, this kind of road network combines radial and grid patterns. So, from the center, a radial network of roads radiate outwards. So, the grid pattern is then used to interconnect the main radial streets. No? Parang ganito siya, no? Pero hindi siya pa-circular. No? So, again, meron kang radial road, meron kang CBD, no? And then, you have this grid, no? Yung mga grid lines na yan. No? So, parang ganito. Okay? Parang ganyan. Okay. Next is radial or star and block. No? So this type of road networks combines radial and block road patterns. So this whole area is arranged into a block patterned road network that runs between the radial and the main streets and radiates outward from the center. So parang ganito. So pa-blocky naman, no? Yung ano niya. Okay, pa-block. Hexagonal patterns. So hexagonal pattern is a network of roadways that form a hexagonal shape similar to a circular road pattern. So three roads intersect with the constructed region at each corner of the hexagon. A hexagonal boundary is further split into plots of the appropriate sizes. So parang ganyan. Pa-hexagonal naman yung road networks, no? So parang ganito, no? So meron tayong hexagonal. Linear, it comprises a road that expands linearly in one direction, potentially due to certain natural resources like sea or ocean existing on one side of the city. So, parang ganito. So, meron ka ditong feeder, no? Okay. So, parang ganyan, no? Naka-linear siya. Okay? So, yun lang naman, no? Yung mga road patterns, no? So, let's continue our discussion dito in the next video. Thank you.